Hi, my hotpoint Aquarius washing machine won't start any program. The lights come on and flash, but it won't double click and start cycle. Pump's not blocked. I've checked that. It worked perfectly before. Spun okay. Just won't start as normal. Many thanks, Elaine.
What lights are flashing?
Start/pause button is on green, spin light is on amber. But it won't double click to start. If I press start/ again, I get flashing amber as usual. I press start again and flashing red lock light comes on.
I'm afraid your control board is bad and you will need to replace it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.